If you're facing problems with your finances, then this reel is for you. So watch it till the end. Welcome back to Tattva Home, and in this Vastu edit, I will be discussing about the southeast direction, also known as Agnya Zone. So this direction is governed by Agni, the deity of fire, influenced by the planet Shukra, that is Venus. हमारा अग्नि प्रभाग ऑलरेडी या naturally high energy zone है because of heat and infrared exposure in this direction. And when this direction is imbalanced, people often feel irritated with themselves or with others, restlessness, mood swings, short temperedness. But here's the important part: people who feel low on energy, lethargic, or emotionally drained, the southeast direction actually works very beautifully with them. It boosts metabolism, immunity, and brings back a sense of activity and drive in life. Now, Shukra's influence in this direction makes it strongly connected to all the practical aspects of our life: finances, assets, material assets like cars, property, or luxury. Basically, all the material stability we create through our efforts. So, if your southeast has a Vastu dosh, then you will experience instability with your finances, fluctuations with your financial assets, and if it's balanced, then all of these things appear to be really balanced in life. And the most important Vastu point is to place your kitchen in southeast direction. It is considered very auspicious because both the direction and the kitchen shares the Agni Tattva, and therefore they both support each other. So a well-aligned southeast kitchen enhances harmony, reduces conflicts, and brings more financial stability within your atmosphere. For zodiac signs like Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, the southeast direction can be really helpful because these signs are associated with the water element, where the warmth of southeast makes them more emotionally stable, centered, more confident. So southeast direction is powerful, fiery, and transformative. When aligned correctly, it brings more practicality, uplifts your health, your energy, and your financial position. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Stay tuned for more videos.